Hey guys, how you all doing? So for my latest exercise of the week, I'm going to show you how to make a very effective isometric core exercise a bit more dynamic to really hit your abs, but also take your core strength to a whole new level. For those people who know me, you know I love to make my static core exercises like plank or the one I'm going to do today more dynamic. It's just something I enjoy and I feel it makes it a little bit harder, but more importantly, also more functional. So you all know the L-sit, okay? By the way, if you don't know the L-sit, click on the link at the top here. I'll put the link in the description box as well, where I teach you how to do the L-sit properly once and for all. But L-sit is there, okay? Now, today I want to teach you an exercise that I call the Flutter kick L-sit, and it just makes it a little bit more fun, but a little bit more harder as well. So you're going to get yourself in the L-sit position, and then you're going to do what you would normally do with a normal flutter kick when you're on your back. You will do this, okay? So you push yourself up into an L-sit position, and then you just do this. Okay? Instantly hit your abs a lot more, makes it a lot harder. Your legs will also come into play working those quads as well. So how can you turn this into a workout? Pretty simple, guys. You bring it up, you do 10 reps, and then you relax for 10-20 seconds, and then you do 5 to 6 sets like that. Or you can do it in intervals if you want. You go for 10-20 seconds, which will be pretty tough, make no mistake about it. Rest for 10-20 seconds, and then you do 5 or 6 sets like that. So a lot of different ways how you can use this, but ultimately it's a powerful and effective dynamic core and ab exercise that I know you guys are going to enjoy. So as always, guys, click on this like button if you enjoyed it. Leave your comments below. I love chatting to you guys if you've tried it out to see how you got on. And then, as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.